All right, today we're digging into the webpage for a natural fertility aid. Let's see what it's all about. So, right off the bat, it hits you with a pretty big number, the cost of one IVF cycle.
And then it poses a question, suggesting there might be another way forward.
To give some context, the page points out that infertility isn't rare. It affects 1 in 8 couples.
It then lists some of the usual suspects, things like hormones, stress, and, of course, age.
And it really hones in on unexplained infertility, which is, understandably, super frustrating for people.
So, what's their solution? It's this thing called the Fertility Nourish Herbal Pouch.
Okay, so its biggest claims are that it's totally external. No pills, no hormones, no side effects.
The whole idea is to gently and externally help restore your body's natural balance.
How does it work? Well, it's all based on traditional Chinese medicine, focusing on the navel. The thinking is that the navel's thin skin lets the herbs absorb right in, bypassing digestion.
And using it seems pretty simple. You just warm it, apply it, and wear it overnight.
Now, for proof, the site shares some case studies from the creator's own clinical practice.
The first case is about a 42-year-old who conceived after 2 failed rounds of IVF. Next up, a 38-year-old with irregular cycles who reportedly conceived in just 2 months.
And then there's a 45-year-old who conceived in 6 weeks. Pretty remarkable stories.
The site also does a direct comparison between their pouch and other medical options out there.
And this table here breaks it down, looking at things like cost, side effects, and invasiveness.
But wow, the biggest difference they highlight is cost. They say it's 98% cheaper than IVF.
The person behind the formula is Dr. Qingcai Wang, who has over 30 decades of experience.
So who is this for? It seems aimed at folks exploring natural options before or instead of IVF. So the big takeaway is that this is pitched as a gentle, non-invasive kind of support.
Which kind of leaves you wondering, could ancient practices be a key to modern wellness?